Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-quality products and service. The BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design. The BONOSS Ford wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And match ISO grade 10 like nut. The matching like nut is for the core material by confusing forging process, as well as ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. The matching wheel studs use SCM 440 alloy steel. BONOSS has over 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provides OEM ODM service and customization service. You can customize the Ford Bronco wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and TCD-CV composition. BONOSS have a complete Ford Bronco wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. You can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has been exceeded 10,000 times. We have strict supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the Ford Bronco wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious value. BONOSS, who has a view.